good.
Hi, my name is Michael Greenberg, and I work at the NIH Supply Center under the Business Operations section. And today we're going to briefly go through how to make a transaction out of the intelligent vending machine. So all that you're going to need to make a purchase out of the vending machine is your self-service store CAN card and your NIH PIV ID card. So when you walk up to the machine, it'll prompt you to please swipe your CAN card. So you're going to make sure that the barcode is facing left, and you're just going to swipe it down. And then you'll get a screen that asks for your PIV ID card. So you're going to want to make sure that the barcode is facing to the right and your face is facing downwards. And you'll swipe the card, and then your PIV is going to appear on the screen, and then you'll press next, and then you'll get to the product selection page. So you're gonna either select from the scroll which product you'd like to purchase, or you can click into the find search bar and search for the item either by the NSN or by the short item name. So we're gonna type in the last 4 digits of the product we're looking for, which is 3799, and hit enter. And so the tissue culture plates appears in the product selection. We'll click into that. And then the 2 lockers with the tissue culture plates are gonna light up, and you just have to press into the button and wait until you hear a beep, and then you can open up the locker. And for this demonstration, I'm gonna take 2 products, and then you just slide the container back into the locker, and the quantity of 2 appears on the screen. So then you close the locker door, and at this point you can either continue making transactions from the lockers, or if you're done with your transaction from the intelligent vending machine, you can select log out. So we're done with the transaction, so I'll select log out. And that's it. So thank you for taking the time to watch this brief tutorial on how to make a transaction out of the intelligent vending machine. And if you have any further questions, you can contact the NIH Supply Center customer service representatives at 301-496-3395. Thank you and have a good day.